Hey guys and girls, welcome from explorer.com. Hope you are all doing good in everything. In this video, I'm going to explain about examples in Java, the basic examples. In my previous video, I have continued introduction about Java, right? And in this video, let us see with examples, different examples in Java. So any program which you write, whether it is C, C++, Java, JSP, HTML, PHP, any technology you take, it will have a particular structure, right? So Java also has a particular structure. What it is? First, at the top of your editor, you have to declare your package. So what are the package you are going to use for your program? You have to define that. That is nothing but the declaration section that is up. And next you will write the import statements here. Suppose you want to import a class from other files, you'll use this import class. Okay. Next, that is defining the class over there. And next is coming to your program definition, that is public class. Here my first program, what I'm going to do is hello world, as you know. So that is why uh, I'm writing this public class hello world. Here you can see this public static void main string args. So what does this basically mean? So whenever you, since I have written hello public class hello world, my program name is going to be hello world.java. So your program name must be the same as what you define your class name. Okay, since I have declared there as public, so it is visible for everyone. Okay, anyone can access this hello world program. And coming to next method, I have here in this public class hello world, I have defined a method that is public static void main string args. So what this basically means? Here the main means it is the main method for your execution. So whenever you are compiling and running it, that the JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, finds this main method first. From if there is no main method, your program will not run. So it is the main method, that is it is the main method for your program executions. And next is public. Public is nothing but it is visible for everyone and anyone can execute. So JVM can execute this program. Next, what is meant by static? So why static means, suppose as you know that in every program, as I told that Java is an object oriented programming. So whenever your JVM is executing something, it will look for objects. If there is an object in that is the methods, so every method must have an object. If you want to execute any method, it should have an object, right? So in your program, if you want to execute any methods, you'll be doing that with the help of objects. So for that, I don't have here any objects to execute this main method, so that's why I'm going to write there static. So static in the sense I don't have to mention any object for the or instance for that. So that's why we write it as static. Void is void main. And what is string args? String args is nothing but if you want to execute anything from command line itself, you can just do that. So string arg is used to pass the arguments or values for the main method from the command line. Okay, and in that we are going to then print out system.out.println is hello world. We'll be printing the system.out.println is the print statement, and we'll be writing and what you will get the output as hello world, right? So see here, compile the program I have written here, java c hello world.java, and after that your .class file will be created, and now you want to execute your program. The JVM will execute this program as java hello world. If you write this and your program output will be here, that is hello world. My next second example. So since I have used only one method over there, that is public static void main, that is main method, and I can use many methods, another method to display my hello world. That is here in my second example I wrote here public void display, right? So what is this public void display? How I'm going to display this hello world? Just see first in my main method public static void main, I have just defined an object here, that is hello world object. So in order to define an object, you have to write hello world. HW is the instance of that object, that is equal to new hello world. So whenever your computer sees this, it will just create an instance object for you, and you'll be able to then you'll be able to access any methods or display any methods. So I have written another method here, that is public sorry here I have written another method, that is public void display. Okay, and now if in order to access this display method here, I will just do that with my instance object, that is HW. So hw.display gives me hello world. So program execution is same as what I told before, and I have another version of my program, another example to explain about different example. So I told that string args is used to display the command line arguments. You can directly write from command lines, and your JVM will be passing the command line, whatever command line arguments you have passed there, it will be going to pass to the program, right? I have done this here, right? See here what I have done. See, here I have created a hello world. HW is equal to new hello world. I have created an instance object, and now I'm not going to display HW dot display directly. What my final output must be there is whatever. See here, when I'm executing the program, here I wrote that java hello world explore_all.com, right? So I'm passing the my explore_all.com as an argument to the program. So where this explore_all.com goes, it will directly go to the main method string args, and from there I just passed it to arguments of 0. Args of 0 means the first argument which you entered after in your command line. Okay, since I have made here explore_all.com, here args of 0 is going to be explore_all.com. So with the instance object, I am going to display that username. So hw.display. So I am going to pass this my explore_all.com to display method. So display method is going to take this username, that is explore.com, and my system.out.println hello username, that username will be printed here. Finally you will get the output as hello explore.com. Okay, this is the third method what we will be by which we will be passing the values through command line arguments. And I have another version. See this. Here in this, I didn't pass my arguments to the display method, but I have assigned my arguments to the instance name which I created. Here I created an instance name called string username. I have created a username instance, and I also created an object, that is HW, that is instance of hello world, right? Hello world HW is equal to new HW is going to create an object called HW, and with that hello world instance object, I am going to assign my string, that is username, to arguments which I pass from command line, that is explore.com is my command argument which I passed from command line. So explore.com is going to be assigned to hw.username. Okay, and now I want to display this username. So I don't pass this this again to the display method. I'll just put public void display, and I'm going to just display system.out.println hello username. Since username is going to be public, so it is going to be accessed by throughout my entire program. Okay, I hope you got my examples and all clearly. First program shows you a basic thing, hello world program. Okay, this is a basic hello world program where you will be writing the explaining with the main method. And second program described about by how you will display your method, how you display hello world by using your method, that is public void display. And the third program explained you about command line arguments, how you are going to use the command line arguments. And my fourth program described about how you are going to assign your command line arguments and pass it and just print it in your display methods and all. Okay, stay tuned with explorer.com and be supporting us. Without you, we are nothing. Take care, guys. Enjoy your life. Bye bye.